Want to start a business but have yet to think of ideas and still thinking about what to do and what not to do, or if there's something more worth it than the idea you have in your mind. As you may know, starting a business can be a long, challenging and rewarding journey. But how do you even get started? One of the best ways is to develop an idea for your business. This video will help you identify profitable ideas already out there. You would be surprised how well these works. You can make money by creating a product or service that attracts people who want to buy or do business with you. It might be because you have access to new technologies or know-how that others need. But remember, ideas are not enough. You also must take careful steps to turn your vision into a reality and market it successfully. It takes time and hard work, but it will all be worth it. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Menu projectors. If you are considering opening a restaurant, that is a great idea. But before that, ask yourself what is so unique about your restaurant menu which will pull customers towards your restaurant. To avoid traditional and boring menu cards, today I've brought you an idea of menu projectors. When this world is digitalizing, why don't you introduce HoloLamp, the world's first glasses-free and hands-free device that creates a 3D illusion on a customer's table. This technology is assisted by AR, augmented reality. So cool! Customers can use this menu to choose their order with a touch command. An elusive 3D presentation will appear right before them. However, customers can see the statics of preparations too. Sim racing. Want to set up a gaming zone? Another profit-based business, it is a gross margin of 43% and above. Even if you don't want to start a whole gaming zone, you can still use a racing simulation setup, allowing everyone to enjoy a racing car experience. These realistic drives with a steering wheel, pedals, and a proper racing car seat creates competition. And to make it more attractive, you can jog your mind and set a jackpot prize for the winners. What do you think? Fantastic imaging and soundtrack will make PC or console gamers love this. New people would also love to learn and try it. Knowing virtual reality has come so far, avail this fantastic idea to pair it with race simulation. To make it more attention-seeking, try using a combo of laser-scanned tracks to create a perfect replication of corners and bumps of the way. A landscaping business is one of the best business options to choose with a profit margin of 15% to 45%, depending on your landscaping definition. It is mow and go, or is it being innovative with backyards and lawns, creating golfing goals and in-home waterfalls? Starting initially, you will need a few tools to kick off the business: the safety gear, then a leaf blower, lawn mower, and edger. But if you wish to grow your business, then manage a flower bed, spray for insects and weeds, and patchy prep areas with fertilizers. On your client's demand, laws can be customized with fresh flower, fruit, and veggies. If you have compassion for gardening, this is the perfect business you can start with. After learning the expertise, you can quickly grow this business by offering automatic irrigation installations, fish ponds, fire pits, pet houses, and waterfalls. Nightclub gyms may sound unusual, but hear me out. Replicating nightclub buzz into a workout studio is becoming the latest fitness trend around the globe. Talking about a regular gym after a year of success, it tends to pay you $20,000 per month, an excellent profit indeed. And this unique idea of a nightclub gym is outbringing the motivation in people and also helps them to end a tiresome mundane weekend with some fun. Swing, blue notes, and cheerful pop remixes are playing on a DJ, while the workout is just outstanding. As this unique business idea is gaining popularity, be the first to introduce a nightclub gym in your hometown. Turn boring traditional gyms into gyms which are infinitely more fun. Have a setup of gym equipment, the best trainers, a personal locker, and a bathroom. In simple words, just everything you see in a regular gym, with an aesthetic environment, disco light, a DJ station, and to top it off, serve energy drinks and fresh pressed juices. There you go, watching your joyous clients sweat roll down. Pet-friendly camp. Opening a center for pets like dogs and cats who are easy to manage is another trendy business option. If you are an animal lover, think about this business. You will get to work with cute fluffy fur balls. Make sure your camp offers fantastic packages and deals to allure the customers. It is pet-friendly workers. If you want to make it luxurious, appoint a vet too. This business could be of great profit as pet owners are concerned for their pets' health and entertainment. Pet daycare rates usually vary from $19 to $45 per day, which is a good income. Some pet owners might have to leave town for their business or get busy. Instead of making their pet suffer from boredom, they may drop off their pet at your camp and where they can make new friends, have a delightful spa and wash, have a monthly checkup, and fun activities to do. Come up with ingenious ideas and you may soon start to have memberships too. Food truck of UFO burgers. Want to start a food truck business but don't want to keep traditional hot dogs, tacos, fries, and ice creams? Think right off the bat. UFO burgers were invented by Koreans, which is a sealed burger in a UFO-shaped bun. The thing that makes it unique is that this machine which seals a burger avoids stuffing from spilling out, making it more convenient and easy to eat. Just buy one, work around, and voila! The tasty, cheesy, spicy, and juicy burger didn't ruin your hands and clothes, making you rush towards the public washroom. The burger filling is your art. Make it finger-licking delicious. Add different types of meat choices, cheese choices, a combo of vegetables, flavorful sauces, and your secret ingredients. But remember, vegan options too. Remember, you have to attract all the customers from kids to adults, meat eaters to veggie lovers. Based on business industry data, food trucks make $23,000 to $100,000 yearly. Vending machine business. Start with 50 to 100 vending machines, which will be both manageable and profitable. You need to follow a few steps to establish a vending business. First, decide what your vending will carry. There are various options: drinks and snacks, ice creams, chocolates and milkshakes, bowls of fresh fruits, and new dessert items. Then comes the second step, deciding a location. Choose a place accessible for you or your employees to do a refill and repair. However, the site should have lots of people like a school, office, hotel lobby, shopping mall, or hospital. The last step is choosing the right type of machine, as there are three types: bulk, mechanical, and electronic. Bulky vending is mainly used to carry a product that gives less profit. Automatic has more than one product that offers average yield, and electronic is digitalized and gives high profits. Organic beauty business. Makeup and hair products are in demand, but people also deal with skin and hair problems. That is why many people are switching towards organic products that are chemical-free and safer to use. Look beautiful without wrecking the skin. What else do people need? Take advantage of this evergreen business opportunity and become an organic beauty entrepreneur. It would be best to target a few basics. First, learn organic formulation skills, then target a niche. For instance, ache-fighting products to lessen hyperpigmentation, lipsticks and tints, eyeshadows and bases, or shampoos and conditioners. The next step is working with a branding expert and choosing a retail model, such as an online, face-to-face store, or both, and marketing. Make your customers satisfied. Believe me, your brand will make you the most profit you ever think of. Specialized brunch establishment. Thinking of a breakfast and lunch business? Well, great instincts. This business could be a profitable venture. Want to know how? Not just brunch foods are easy but hassle-free too. No one wants to come back from a tiring day to unwashed dishes and all the mess they made in the morning for a plate of breakfast. It's up to you. Either have a free day after lunch hours, close your restaurant and walk home, or keep your business running all day long? You must think, why would I want to keep it running all day? It's just brunch. But you don't know that 80% of people claim they enjoy brunch offerings all day long at their favorite place. Now, let me clarify what it means by specialized brunch. This means focusing solely on nutrient-based brunch and healthy drinks to keep the customers healthy. It is proven that people who make a healthy breakfast intend to avoid obesity and diabetes. So, you will not be just running the most profitable business, but also making a difference. Event planning is one of the joyous yet profitable businesses. It could be a worker alone by you or a small team of yours. In simple words, event planning is like a cake decorator who has to leave their customers in awe, so they choose you next time as well. Some basic rules of becoming an event planner are doing research, having a skill in project management, finding a suitable event site, creating a budget, and arranging food, decor, and entertainment. Next is having proper seating and supervision of the ongoing event. With a creative mind for problem handling, you can quickly profit from this business and earn up to $50,000 yearly. So, we presented you with the top profitable business of 2023. It always seems impossible, but it's only possible once it's done. The video must have given the insight to help you establish your own business.